everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, you are specially welcome, and if you subscribe, thank you so much for always supporting your sis. So I'll be unboxing a coffee grinder I got from Amazon. So we are making an unboxing video today. So I got this grinder. Actually, I didn't get it for coffee. I'm not a coffee fan. No, I got it for something else. I got it for something else as strong as coffee, if not stronger than coffee. I got it to grind like ogbono, especially if you're from West Africa, you understand what I mean. I got it to grind ogbono. I got it to grind egusi, and so you understand. So that's it. Anpro coffee grinder. I got this particular product because of the reviews I read on Amazon. So let's dive into it. If it's what it is, if it's what they say it is. Okay. Now we'll open the carton and bring out just packaged in 3 places. Okay, the first one, which is the main engine itself, and the other 2 are the accessories. What else is in the carton? Okay, we have a cover, measuring spoon, a card and manual. So the card says free 3 months, replace or refund. Yeah, you have to reach back to their site. It's written on the card. Why the bag says not happy. If you're not happy, you reach back to them and tell them the reason why you're not happy. Okay, and here's the manual. And blah 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 blah. Voila, we're done. Who reads manual? not for grinder, please. Okay, here's the cover. Yeah, okay. This, I really don't know what it is, but just some papers like gathered together. So here's the first grinder. Yeah, and here's the second one. Now this is a struggle. You understand, when you get something from Amazon, you're trying to like extremely careful so you don't, damage the stuff in case it's not up to your satisfaction and you have to return it. That is exactly what happened here. I was trying to be extremely careful, so I'm not going to destroy the packaging. So if I have any issues, I'll package it the way it came and return it back. But voila, boom, that is what happened. As in, it was a struggle to get it out. It was so tight, it wasn't moving. Still struggling. Still struggling. Okay, now I give up. I don't care. It's going to be fine. I'm not returning it. It will be fine. Yeah. So that is the second the second grinder that has 2 edges and the other one has 4 edges. Now we'll open the engine itself. it's easy. This is how I expected the rest to be. But no, it was a struggle. No, look at that, so easy. That was like few seconds. That's beautiful. Let's put this into practice. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Then cover. No, it's not covering. No, not covering. Okay, do it again. No, it's not closing. Let's try the other one. Now lock it. No, it's not. No. Didn't lock. No, didn't lock. Try it again. No, didn't lock. Nope. No. Okay, how do they lock this? Okay. Try it again. No. Nope. It's not locking. Why? Try it again. This is a struggle. One struggle. Seriously. Like, how did I do it? Oh, I see. There's a white stuff at the down. Yeah, I didn't see that on time. Okay, let's try it this time around. Ah, voila, it locked. Haha. Don't let that deceive you guys. No. This is actually, I gave myself a thumbs up. No, that is not a thumbs up. That is a thumbs down. That is a thumbs down. I was supposed to put, I guess, I didn't put the white plastic well for it to lock. So I actually blended something with it without the white stuff, and the whole thing poured everywhere. It came out of the blender and poured at the side. So the right way is to put the white stuff there, fix it well, and lock it. It's this white stuff that prevents whatever you're blending not to, spill out. You understand? It keeps it intact in there. So that's the purpose of that white stuff, which I didn't know until I practicalize it. Now the third packaging. Yeah, this is my favorite. When it comes to smoothies, yeah. This is, in short, this grinder is 3-in-1 package, 3-in-1 bundle. It's 3-in-1. This is for smoothies, If you love smoothies, it's summertime. So yeah, it came at the right time. So yeah, it is. This is one beautiful grinder. Yeah. And voila, that is it. So this is how it came. Can you see that? That is beautiful. This wasn't a struggle. This just, just fix it and you're good to go. You were good to go. Good to go, good to go, good to go. So when you're done, you open it that way and you fix your cover, Good to go. It's actually this smoothies this stuff is actually plastic. Like it's not glass, it's plastic, like a very, very strong plastic. But from the video you think it's glass. It's not. It's not glass, it's a very, very strong, very strong plastic. Here you go. You open, put your grinder, grand, and you're good to go. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video will, will help one or two persons looking for a good grinder out there. Like I said, I didn't get this grinder for coffee. I got it for something else, like, to grind little things at home that you need to use. Okay, if you're looking for a grinder for normal things, this is a go.